if I told you this entire space shuttle launch platform was made almost completely out of wood and actually moves? Today I'm building this ROKR mechanical space shuttle puzzle, and this isn't just a model. It has gears, moving launch arms, lights, and even a working launch sequence. But here's the real question. Is this a fun engineering project or just an overpriced wooden puzzle? Let's find out. When you open the box, you get laser-cut wooden sheets, electronic components for the lights, gears, hardware, and full instruction manual. This one has about 446 pieces, so this is definitely not a quick afternoon puzzle. This is more like a build project. The parts are laser-cut plywood, and overall the quality looks pretty good right out of the box. If you've ever built model cars, Legos, wood kits, or mechanical models, you'll probably enjoy this. This is kind of a project where patience pays off. My biggest advice is don't rush removing the parts. Some of these pieces are delicate, and if you force them, you will break something. However, I did not break one piece in this whole project. Not one. I did find lightly sanding a few tabs makes everything fit smoother, which is pretty normal for press-fit wooden kits. This is where it gets really interesting. This isn't just stacking wood pieces, you're actually building mechanical systems. You've got gear trains, linkages, and motion transfer systems that control the launch platform arms. As an engineer, this is actually very cool. I really respect the amount of work and detail that went into this project. And after several hours of building, this is what you get. This honestly looks fantastic as a display piece. The launch arms move, the gears operate smoothly, the lighting effects add a really nice touch, and the whole thing just looks like a miniature engineering exhibit. Here's what I really liked. It's very unique mechanical design, high detail level, fun engineering concepts. It's a great display piece, and it's a satisfying build if you like these kind of projects. Few things to consider. This is not for someone who gets frustrated easily. It takes time. It's also more of a display model than a toy. You don't want kids playing with this constantly. And if you're expecting a beginner puzzle, this isn't it. So would I recommend it? If you like building things, engineering projects, or detailed models, absolutely. If you want a quick, simple puzzle, probably not. But if you're the kind of person that enjoys the process as much as the result, this is a very satisfying build. I'd give it a 5 out of 5. Really cool design, fun project, and something different from typical models. I really respect all of the mechanical joints, how they made different parts to bend and twist with wood. It blows my mind how this went together. If you like tool reviews, build projects, and things worth buying or avoiding, consider subscribing. And if you've ever built one of these mechanical wooden kits, tell me in the comments if it was fun or if it was frustrating.